If you watched my last video, it was terrible. But I know it was terrible. But I'm happy to say it wasn't as terrible as I expected. And we will go step further today and talk about something that's far more useful for everyone. And let's start. Hey dear, hit the intro. Hey dears, Dearbeck is here, and today we are going to speak about what gear you need to start your YouTube channel. In my last video I introduced myself and spoke about why I created this YouTube channel and such things. If you haven't watched it yet, you can check it out on my channel. Now you might be thinking that you need a lot of expensive and fancy gear to start your YouTube channel. But that's not true. You can still make very good videos with what you have. And the most important thing here is your confidence, your persistence, and being enthusiastic about your videos, your topic. So, let me show you what gear I am using for producing my videos as a starter YouTuber, and don't worry, I will give you some advice on how to choose the best gear for your needs as well. First of all, let's talk about camera. This is the device that's used for capturing your videos and images in a quality, and this is probably one of the crucial gear for every YouTuber. Now there are many different types of camera, such as DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, webcams, action cameras, or even your smartphone. And each of them has its advantages and disadvantages in terms of their price, portability, features, and etc. For example, let's take DSLR cameras. And this type of cameras are by far one of the most popular camera types among the YouTubers, because they offer high quality video and image and interchangeable lenses, a lot of manual control and other features, but they are very expensive, bulky, heavy, and they require a lot of accessories. If you want to buy one of such cameras, then you need to buy many type of lenses and tripod and everything else related to this camera, and this might be extra cost for you. On the other hand, there are smartphones, and which are very convenient and easy to use, and they are always with you. They have many features and apps that can edit your videos, but it also comes with some limitations such as battery life, storage space, audio quality, stability, and etc. So what type of camera am I personally use for making these videos? Well, I use my laptop webcam because it has a pretty decent quality, and it's built in my camera and I can see myself while I am recording, and that's pretty convenient. And it's also very budget friendly for me because I don't have to buy anything extra because it's built into my laptop itself. Maybe you're wondering why I don't use better camera for recording my videos. Well, there are three main reasons. First is I don't have enough budget. Simply, I cannot buy better cameras for $500 or $600. Of course, there are many other cameras for cheaper, but I don't think they will provide any better quality rather than this. And I don't think that the most important thing in the videos are video quality. Yeah, it matters, but what you are talking about, that's what matters. But also, I can record my videos with smartphone, but there is a problem. This microphone cannot be connected with smartphones, but we will speak about later why I cannot connect this with smartphones. And let me give you some advice on how to choose the best camera for yourself. Well, there are many options, but if you are low on budget, then you can use your smartphones to capture your videos, or alternatively you can use your webcam like me. But if you have some money lying around to buy some extra gear, then you might probably consider buying a separate camera for recording your videos. And when choosing the camera, you can consider their price, features, your needs and expectations, and its reviews. You can check out bunch of them and see which fits you most. But keep in mind that it also comes with some extra expenses. When you buy a camera, you also need to buy a tripod, a memory card, a battery and a case for it as well. And you might also need some extra lenses for it. Next, let's talk about microphone. The microphone is the piece of equipment that records your sound and voice, and it's second important gear for your YouTube channel. Now, there are many types of microphones for using your YouTube channel. For example, condenser microphones, shotgun microphones, dynamic microphones, lavalier microphones, or even your smartphone or laptop microphone. And all of them of course have their advantages and disadvantages when it comes to using them. Some of the microphones provide excellent and crystal audio quality for your videos, but they are very expensive and super complicated to use for most people because they don't have typical USB-C or USB-A ports to connect these devices. And what microphone am I used for my videos? This is Maona EU A04 condenser microphone, and it's USB microphone, and it's very easy to use. It's plug and play, you don't have to install any software, and it has a USB-A cable which can be easily connected with any device you have, such as laptops. And you might be wondering what's special about this microphone, why I like this microphone, why I chosen this microphone for my videos. Well, I should mention that it has better audio quality compared to its price and its competitors. And it also comes with various accessories such as this boom arm, pop filter, and this wind foam that I used previously in my last video, but I think that pop filter works much better than this because it kind of blocks my voice a bit. Plus, it looks very professional, isn't it? And it's not really the best microphone out there. You can buy a microphone for $1,000 even, but that's enough for beginners. But if you don't have any budget for it, you can still use built-in microphones of your smartphone or a laptop. Another reason why I chosen this microphone is because my built-in laptop microphone is such a poor in terms of audio quality, and let me show you how it sounds. Now here I then changed the amount of space between me and my laptop, and I'm recording from my laptop's built-in microphone. As you can see, my audio quality changed dramatically. There is 180 degrees difference between this and built-in microphone. And if you are looking for some budget-friendly microphones, then there are many options such as this microphone or Blue Eyes from Logitech, and some microphone from Razer or HyperX. But if you are using smartphone, then most of the smartphones have pretty decent audio quality for recording videos if it's not very far from you. I don't recommend to put your microphone too far from yourself because it reduces the audio quality you get from it. Alright, let's talk about lightning. And lightning is also very essential when it comes to video recording because it affects how you look and your video quality as well, especially in my case. Because when you are using webcam like me, you don't have very much control over it. And if your camera has not decent video quality, then it might capture very bad videos in darkness. And as you can see, I use natural light for my videos because it's free and it's everywhere. It's light that comes from the sun and the sky. But there are some limitations, such as it depends on the weather, at daytime, and the availability in your case. For example, if there is very little or no window where you are recording, then you are out of luck. But alternatively, you can use artificial lights, which I use as well. For example, the lamp that's positioned on the ceiling of my room. It also adds some depth and richness to the environment, and my room is more bright, which means better video quality for my videos. Well, if we talk about lighting gear, there are many options available as well. And one of the best options for someone who wants to start YouTube but has no budget, it's using artificial lights. But you need to consider one thing as well. If you are planning to start a faceless YouTube channel, then there is no need for any light source. All you need is probably your voice recorder and your microphone. But if you are planning to shoot more videos with professional video quality, then you can use artificial lights which are specialized for YouTube. For example, overhead lights, main lights and side lights, some lamps and etc. But some of them are very expensive and very difficult to use, and some of them take a lot of space most of the time, because if you want to buy big artificial light, you also need a softbox for it, which is very big and not very convenient thing to set up. But it has its own advantages compared to using natural light. For example, you can record your videos at any time of the day, and it doesn't depend on the weather or the daytime, because right now it's little cloudy outside and clouds are flowing in the sky, and sometimes they are blocking the sun, so sometimes the room is bright and sometimes it's dark, and my background is changing a lot. And the last thing we're going to talk about is software for video editing and thumbnail editing. And of course there are a ton of options, especially in today's age. You can edit your videos either on your laptop or computer or with your phone or tablet. And it's the same for editing thumbnails as well. I personally use Clipchamp for editing my videos. Clipchamp is the video editing software that's produced by Microsoft, and it has all of the features that are necessary for editing YouTube videos, like cutting, trimming, giving effects, color grading, adding visuals and text effects, and etc. And when it comes to thumbnails, I usually use Canva, which is a fantastic tool with big stock libraries and graphics library, and also easy and drag and drop interface. And I should mention that both of them are free to use, but if you want a premium subscription, then you can sign up for it as well. And this is it, but there is one extra thing to consider, and this is the studio. That's quite a funny one, but my studio is my bedroom next to my desk. There is my bed over there, my brother's bed over there, the shelf over there, and entrance over there. Quite funny, right? So you you just need a clutter-free background or just plain backgrounds. If you cannot find such big band or chess or certificates like this, and you can just record your videos on a plain background, standing or sitting, easier. It doesn't really matter here. Well, today we mentioned 5 essential things for starting a YouTube channel, and I hope I managed to provide some of the best and free tools for your starter journey. But as you grow, you always need to upgrade your gear for a 4K camera and better microphones like Rode or Sennheiser microphones, which are I also planning to upgrade. And that's it for today, and I hope this video was useful and you found some inspiration and motivation for starting your YouTube career. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time. On the other hand,